Okay, now we are back together. I'm sorry the computer messed up, but now we are going to finish out our problem. And we had 9 green plus, say it with me, how many yellow? 1 yellow. And then we had plus 5 blue. Now what I want you to do is I want you to count all of your dots to see how many that toy cars are all together. I'm going to give you a minute. Great. I hope you said 15. So now we have 15, and I'm sorry that my numbers got really big. So we want to put that we have 15 toy cars. Okay? Very good. So make sure your number sentence looks like my number sentence. Okay. Okay, you will flip like a pancake with your paper and you will see number 2. Now, I am going to only work number 2 as a whole class with us. I believe that you will be able to do the rest. Miss Carnes will read them with you. You will have your 10 frame, your dots, and your pencil. You no longer need your crayons. And you will work through the rest without me after we do number 2. All right, get your 10 frame ready. Ken put 5 pennies in a jar. Lou put in 0 pennies. May put in 5 pennies. How many pennies did they put in the jar? Now you will get your 10 frame and we will look for the first number. We normally find the biggest number to fill up our 10 frame. We have the number 5, the number 0, and the number 5. So I want you to think about the biggest number we would have. Good. If you said 5, you're correct. Okay. We have 5 and we have another 5. So now you will fill your 10 frame up with 5 red. I'll give you a minute to do that. Then we will start with our yellow like we always do. And remember again, if our 10 frame is not filled up, we have to start there to fill in our 10 frame and then carry the rest below. So you would add on to make your 10 frame complete with 10, and then we have 0. How much is 0? And I hope you said nothing. Very good. So we have nothing on the bottom. So take your pencil and we will put our number 5. We had 5 pennies in the jar, plus we had 5 pennies because that is what we added together first on our 10 frame. And then Lou put in 0. So if you look at your 10 frame right now, you are able to see that you have 10 pennies just by looking. You do not even have to count. You just look at your 10 frame and you know when it's filled up, it is 10. So there are 10 pennies. Now you will pause this recording and you will finish your the rest of this page using your 10 frame, writing in your number sentence, and finding the sum. Okay, now you have moved to the back of the page, and this is where that we see some review of some even subtraction, review of some problems like we've done today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave you now for you and Miss Carnes to finish the remainder of this page, and you will draw circles to show your answers. You will also, in this space provided, is where you will draw. Do not just write an answer. Remember, in math, you always have to show what you know. So you draw your circles and you write your number sentence and then you write your answer and you move all the way through this page. You've done wonderful. You still have your 10 frame and you will be able to use that. If there is a subtraction problem, we know how to show that something has gone away, and you will show that in your on your drawing. But this is what this base is for. Remember how that we've got to draw our circles smaller. We're moving towards second grade. We can't draw really big because our spaces are getting smaller. I'm very proud of y'all. Thank you for working so good today. I love you, and I will see you very soon.